Dear students, this is Joshua. Today we discuss about on the topic of theory of equations. The subtopic is transformation of equations. Now we discuss about some assignment questions from page number 94, question number 54. Already we write the question on the blackboard. If minus 318 are the roots of px cube plus qx square plus rx plus 5 is equal to 0, then the roots of px minus 3 whole cube qx minus 3 whole square plus r into x minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, let it be the equation is that f of x is equal to px cube qx square plus rx plus 5 is equal to 0. Already we are given the roots of f of x equal to 0 are minus 3, 1, 8. Now observe that then the roots of this equation, we observe that this equation px minus 3 whole cube plus qx minus 3 whole square plus r into x minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. We observe that clearly this is the place of x in f of x is x minus 3 in this here. Therefore, px minus 3 whole cube, x minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 plus 5 constant is as it is. Therefore, this is clearly f of x minus 3. Right? F of x minus 3. Just in place of x, we have x minus 3. That is why it is called, it is x minus 3, f of x minus 3. The roots of this equation minus 3, 1, 8, we observe that f of x minus 3. What are the roots? Now we have a formula. The equation whose roots exceed by k, where k not equal to 0, exceed by k, where k not equal to 0, then those f of x is equal to, then those of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x minus 3 is equal to 0, f of x minus k is equal to 0. Therefore, clearly we have comparing this equation 1, this is equation 1, equation 2, let it be. Comparing that, here exceed by k is equal to 3. The k is equal to 3 exceed by the roots of those of f of x equal to 0. Roots of those of f of x equal to 0 are minus 3, 1, 8. Minus 3, 1, 8, the k is exceed. Therefore, we adding the k to the roots of f of x equal to 0. Therefore, 3 minus 3, 1 and 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 3. Just we add 3 to the given roots of f of x equal to 0. Just therefore 0, 4 and 11. Observe the options are there. This is observe the options 0, 4, 11. One of the first option. This is the right answer. So answer is 1. Option 1. Next question. Question number 56. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta, beta plus 2, gamma plus 2, alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2 into gamma plus 2 is equal to dash. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, and here alpha plus 2, beta plus 2, gamma plus 2. Then alpha plus 2, beta plus 2, gamma plus 2. Observe that the roots of f of x equal to 0, alpha, beta, gamma are totally exceed by some number 2. The sum number 2. Already we have a formula, the equation whose roots are exceed by the equation. Already we know that the equation whose roots are exceed by k, then those of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x minus k is equal to 0. This is, remember that f of x minus k is equal to 0 whenever the roots of the equation of the roots are exceed by k, some number k. Here 2 is the exceed to the given roots, that is alpha, beta, gamma. Exceed means adding alpha plus 2, beta plus 2 and gamma plus 2. That is why we have, therefore definitely we have x minus 2 is equal to 0 because the roots are exceed by k, those of f of x equal to 0, therefore f of x minus k is equal to 0. That is why the roots are exceed by 2, therefore f of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore f of x minus 2 means replace x by x minus 2 in the equation x minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square plus 4 into x minus 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. So simplify that. This is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b 6x square plus 3ab square, that means 3x into 4 12x minus b cube, that is minus 8 minus 3 into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a plus 4x 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 7 is equal to 0. So simplify that. X cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 minus 3x square minus 12 plus 12x plus 4x minus 8 minus 7 is equal to 0. We simplify that. This is x cube. Here minus 6x square minus 3x square minus 9x square plus 12x minus 1 is cancelled, gets cancelled, and that is plus 4x, adding these constant terms minus 8 minus 16 minus 12 and minus 7, it is minus 35 is equal to 0. X cube minus 9x square plus 4x minus 35. Okay, we have the roots of f of x minus 2 is equal to 0 are alpha plus 2, beta plus 2 and gamma plus 2. We see S3, we calculate S3. S3 is equal to, S3 means alpha plus 2, beta plus 2 and gamma plus 2 is equal to. S3 means this is a cubic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. S3 means negative of negative, that is minus 35 by 1, that equal to 35. Therefore 35 is the answer. Therefore the product of alpha plus 2, beta plus 2 and gamma plus 2 is 35. Next question, question number 98. If minus 3, 6, 9 are the roots of px cube plus qx square plus rx plus s is equal to 0, then the roots of 21 px cube, 9 qx square 3rx plus s is equal to 0, or here we observe that solution, let the equation be f of x. So px cube qx square plus rx plus s is equal to 0. Now observe the roots of f of x equal to 0 are given. Roots of or minus 3, 6, 9. Now observe another equation, that is 27px cube plus 9qx square plus 3rx plus s is equal to 0. This is clearly so that here x, this is replaced with 3x. So 3x whole cube. So 3x whole cube means 27x cube. And as well as 3x whole square means 9x square. As well as rx, r into 3x, r 3rx plus s is constant as usual. Now we observe that this is clearly f of 3x is equal to 0. F of 3x is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots of f of 3x are, we observe that whenever f of 3 into x, whenever multiply with x, therefore the roots are alpha by k, beta by k and gamma by k. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of f of x equal to 0, then the f of 3x or kx is equal to 0, the roots of alpha by k, beta by k and gamma by k. That means that is minus 3 by 3, 6 by 3, 9 by 3 plus minus 1, 2, 3. Therefore the roots are minus 1, 2, 3. Observe the options. Option 1 is the right answer. Answer is option 1. Next question number 60. The equation whose roots are those of x power n plus x power n minus 2 plus x power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0 with contrary signs, n is as even as n greater than or equal to 6. That is as even as n is greater than or equal to 6. First of all, let it be f of x power n plus x power n minus 2 plus x power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. First of all, with contrary signs means let us replace x by minus x. Let us replace x by minus x. So replacing x by minus x, then f of x can be written as f of minus x. So minus x whole power n plus minus x whole power n minus 2 plus minus x whole power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. If you take n is even, for example, if you take n is equal to 6, what happens? N is even, minus x whole power minus 3 when this is x power n plus this is even. So for example, we take n is equal to 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4, x minus 2, 6 minus 1 plus into minus, so x minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. Therefore, if n is even, n minus 2 is even, and n minus 5 is odd. Therefore, x power n plus x power n minus 2 minus x power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. Therefore, we come to the options. X power n, no, minus x power n minus x power n minus 2, no, x power n plus x power n minus 2 plus x power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. Options are there. Yeah, options, some correction are there, little bit correction. This is x power n plus x power n minus 2, x power n minus 5 plus m is equal to 0. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 62. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, then alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 plus gamma power minus 2 equal to dash. There is no options are there. First of all, we calculate. Let the equation is, let it be f of x. X cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have observed that first of all S1, this is a cubic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial, ax cube. This is also compared with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Where S1 is, we need S1 and S2, S3. So S1 is formula minus b by a, and S2 is equal to c by a, and S3 equal to minus d by a. These are the formulas for cubic polynomial of S1, S2, S3. Now in this section, in this observe that the equation is S1 is equal to minus b by a means minus 2 by 1, that means minus 2. S2 is minus of 3 by 1 minus 3, and finally S3 minus of minus 1 by 1. These are the S1, S2, S3. Now what about alpha power minus 2, beta power minus 2, gamma power minus 2? It can be written as also 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square, 1 by gamma square. Let it be LCM that alpha square, beta square, gamma square. The numerator beta square gamma square, alpha square gamma square, alpha square beta square. Oh, this is of the form. Observe that the numerator a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. So also written as, this is also written as a square plus b square plus, we written alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha whole square minus, this is of the form of 2 into alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma delta into alpha beta gamma, right, by alpha beta gamma whole square. Write it as this formula. Little bit of correction. This can be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha beta right? So this is can be written as, this is alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square. This is sum of the roots, S2 square, sum of the product of the roots taken at 2 at a time, Therefore this can be written as S2 square minus, this is alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the roots S1, and alpha beta gamma and S3. So this can be written as 2 into S1 S3 by S3 whole square, 2 into S1 S3 by S3 whole square. Now already we have S1 S2 S3, S1 S2 S3, S1 S2 square is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 2 into S1, 2 into minus 2, and S3 means 1 by 1 whole square. So this is 9 plus 4 by 1, that is equal to 13. Therefore alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 plus gamma power minus 2 is equal to 9 plus 4 by 1, that is 13. That's the answer.